In this video we are going to actually calculate. This is the second part of our little calculator project in Mojo. And in the last one we did the Python import here to create user inputs because we wanted the user to be able to give us two numbers. Actually, this is done in Python. And at the time of this recording, Mojo isn't a finished language, so I guess that a native user input method is going to be implemented in the next version of Mojo. So basically the problem that we had was when we run this code, it says give me a number, we say 7, give me another number, we say 9. And then it says the result is 79 because it adds two strings. The Mojo result is 14. And to get to the right Mojo result when adding two numbers, we need to use the so-called built-ins from Python. So I said let imported built-ins be equal to imported Python and import the module built-ins, because now I can use the Python method to convert our number, which is a string, which is a floating point number. Well, you might already know that we can create floating types in Mojo, but if you try to do something like this, you will get an error, and that error says that basically it is not possible to convert a Python object into a native floating type. You need to know that, and therefore we didn't declare the variables here with a special data type. And you see that when you do it this way and add the two numbers in Mojo, you will actually get a Mojo result. But I have actually made a mistake, because still 7 plus 9 doesn't equal 14. And my error was that I have forgotten to change this value here. So that's what happens when you use copy and paste too much. Now let's save the file again, clear the output. And my first number is going to be 7. The second is going to be 9. And now the result is correct, it's 16. By the way, we can now use floating type numbers and add those. And you see that the Mojo result is 3.57, which equals 1.23 plus 2.34. So this time it's correct. While we can't add the two outputs without any conversion, because that will simply add the string values that we have gotten from the user input. So at the time of this recording, this is the workaround to get user input and convert the strings that you get from the user to floating type numbers. Mojo actually uses Python here like you would use an external library like NumPy in Python itself. I hope in one of the next versions the user input in Mojo is implemented. But for now that's it. And in this little video you have learned how to get user inputs in Mojo and convert the string values to numbers, which can actually be used to calculate something. For now I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.